My favorite thing about seventh grade science is that we get to do lots because we get to learn new things and things that we haven't discovered yet. The bingo grid I like because you get to learn new things that you haven't learned before.
Why is it important to shake hands before you enter the classroom? It is important because you, in the future, the person that is giving you the interview will have a better chance of getting you into the job.
Good morning, how are you? Good morning. Hey, good morning.
How do you feel when the teacher shakes your hand?
I feel that I'm in a better mood and my teacher's happy to see me.
You must walk to grab your computer and then go back to your seat and sit down. And you must open your computer and log into the assignment the teacher assigned to you.
Okay guys, it's time to get your computers. Please stand up, get your computers, and log into Google Classroom and open up your dissection booklet. We're going to be taking notes so we can...
Part of our Chromebook expectation is to walk to your computer, grab with both hands, walk to your seat carefully, sit down, open your computer, log in the Google Classroom to follow steps.
What is a social contract? A social contract is a list of words that you use to improve behavior in the classroom. The social contracts are made by our students to be treated how we want to be treated.
You guys know that we focus on every single word, every single day on the social contracts, but we always have two focus contracts. We have words that we created from the beginning of the year and mid-year. Words such as respect, fair, motivated, helpful, non-judgmental, honest, responsible, nice, loyal, friendly, listening.
The social contract is a big piece of paper with words like respect, helpful, golden rule. It is there to remind us all how we have to be in a classroom. We all sign it to agree with it.
Let's go over here, Gina. Being responsible. I like that word, especially with our launch that we're going to have. Then just the scissors. And you're going to cut around.
My favorite thing in seventh grade science is the owl pellet because we get to work in groups, like work together, find out and search through the owl pellet, search for bones, and we did good.
Be the labeler, the person who's in charge of writing, correct? You're going to make that decision.
One thing I like about seventh grade is science class is that we get to do Skittles lab and we get to count out because scientifically it shows that there's more yellow Skittles in a pack than there is all together.
That's in there. And you're releasing the fluid on the paper towel that says aqueous humor.
classroom expectations are that first you need to get into a group and wait for instructions. Then you should also like be safe because like there's gonna be like tools and everything. And if you don't understand anything, you can always ask for help, of course. And don't yell because it'll distract others and your group. And also, you should help classmates if needed.
No, you're not.
What are you guys doing?
Some of our lab expectations are follow instructions, get into groups, be safe, help classmates, don't sabotage, don't fool around, be careful. If injured, you can call help, ask for help, don't yell, and don't distract.
Iris, check. Muscle, fat, check. Aqueous humor, no. Aqueous humor is the fluid. That is called it starts with a T. Tape.
The thing I like about 7th grade in science is about when we do the labs and experiments, like we did a cow dissection with the eye. We had to cut it open and spread out the parts and put it on a piece of paper. And we got a grade A, my group did, because we were not the best, but like we were good.
Okay, are you guys done?
Yeah.
All right, can you tell me what some of these items are?
This is the pupil.
Okay.
Pick it up.
Awesome. The pupil and the iris.
This is just fat.
Mm-hmm.
The muscle basically was fat. This is like muscle. This is also muscle too.
All right, who are my raters today? Raise your hand. All right, over here.
The job of the rater is to rate the class through 1 to 10. If the class gets a rating of 1 to 7, that means the class wasn't behaving. But if the class gets 8 through 10, that means the class was being good.
10? Yeah, you guys took notes really well.
A launch is something that starts off a day with a positive note, and it could also end with a positive note. I personally like the launch.
That we'd have to. My grandmother pulled me out from behind her, and she put her hands on my shoulders, and here's what she said to me. I will never be able to pay you that.
A launch is something that starts or ends off a day as well with a positive reminder. I personally feel good about the launch because it's a little reminder to stay positive.
Ways that you cannot imagine. I didn't believe in that, but she believed in me.